a man always ejaculates or comes within a minute after penetration, it is termed premature ejaculation. Or even before penetrating, he has already ejaculated, it is termed premature ejaculation. Premature ejaculation is gradually becoming frequent in the society. However, most men feel embarrassed discussing about this situation. So in today's video, I will be giving you some tips on how to last long in bed with your partner. Number one, practice start and stop technique. Start and stop technique. I will tell you how this works. When you are about to ejaculate or when you are about to come, immediately you have that sensation, you have that feeling, stop for a while. This will allow erection to subside a bit. Okay, then you start again. You stop, you start, you stop, you start. Then do this about 3 times before you achieve orgasm. Number two, practice distraction technique. Distraction technique means when you're about to ejaculate, when you're about to come, take your mind off the process for a while. Think of something else. Think completely out of the box. Think something abstract. You can think about the work you are going to do tomorrow. You can think about how they told you your grandfather swallowed a spade. You can just think of something abstract for a while and then come back to the process. Come back and continue what you were doing. That will also buy you some time by reducing your erection, okay, and then prolonging your orgasm or your ejaculation time. The third technique I have for you is squeeze method or squeeze technique. I will tell you how this works. When you're about to come, you squeeze the head of your penis for at least 1 to 20 seconds. Just squeeze the head of the penis for about 1 to 20 seconds. So this will also reduce your erection and then prolong your orgasm or your ejaculation time. Okay, practice these 3 techniques I have mentioned, practice them about 3 times before you reach orgasm, okay, because that will actually help prolong your orgasm time. Okay, I know something is going through your mind right now. It is easier said than done. Yes, I know these techniques are not easy, but with practice you can actually get better with them. So you have to start learning how to do them first of all and then see the outcome. Okay, the other tip I have for you is use condom. Condom have a way of reducing your sensation, okay, thereby prolonging your ejaculation time or your orgasm. Another thing you should do is engage in frequent sexual intercourse. Carry out frequent or regular sexual activities. Okay, you know, guys, when you buy a car and you don't service it or you don't drive it around, what will happen to the car? The time you need it the most, that is when it will not even respond properly. So that is how it is when you do not use your penis frequently on your partner. Because just take for instance, you want to have sex after like 1 month or 2 months of meeting your partner. That first time of having sex with her after a long while, you are most likely going to ejaculate fast. But this is normal for most men, or generally speaking, for men. When that becomes frequent, it is now called premature ejaculation. So that is why you should engage in frequent sex. The next thing I want you to know is positioning. Explore different positions, adopt different position, adopt different styles. Okay, the reason is that the time at which you are switching from one position to another, this is actually buying you some time to prolong your orgasm. Okay, so when you switch from one position to the other, that feeling of ejaculating or that feeling of ejaculation will bounce back. Okay, and then you continue after you have assumed another position. So that can actually prolong the time for you. And if possible, allow your partner to stay on top. Okay, allow your partner to stay on top can actually prolong your orgasm time or your ejaculation time. Okay, this has really helped some men. Okay, the next thing I want to let you know is reduce your stressors. I know you cannot completely eradicate stress from your life. Just reduce your stress, reduce your physical, mental, emotional, or psychological stress. Just try and reduce them. And if you smoke, quit. And if you cannot quit smoking or drinking, just reduce them. Okay, if you cannot quit smoking or drinking, reduce them. All right, then The next thing I want to talk about, if you are on medication and one of the side effects of the medication is premature ejaculation, then speak with your doctor so that they can give you an alternative medicine. All right. Another thing that you may want to do also is lifestyle modification. You can just change your diet, eat adequately, do exercise, sleep well, rest well. Those ones are just essential anyways. And if you have practiced all these things I have mentioned today, yet no result, then visit the hospital immediately and then they can place you on drugs and treat you appropriately. Anyway, so guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you got a valuable piece from what I have said today, please subscribe to this channel, enable your notification bell. This will alert you immediately I post new videos. Give this video a massive thumbs up and share with your friends, as well as leave your thoughts in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Until then, shalom.